Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here is my breast cancer awareness month look number 1. I think I might do 1 or 2 more. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to do a makeup collaboration with me, you can leave it in my comments or message me directly and we can inspire each other. Let's be friends. So stay tuned, and as always, I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you. So I'm gonna do my brows like normal, but the only thing is I'm gonna have one brow pink, and I'm gonna use my NYX liner for that. I think the shade is fuchsia. I don't really remember what the color is, but it will be in my description box. I'm just gonna outline my brows like I would normally do if I was using my regular pencil. I know some people use concealer to cover up their brow and put eyeshadow on it, but since my brows are not as thick, I find that this is what works better for me. I was going to do Bifrost Pink, but I figured that might be doing too much. Then I'm going to take my brow makeover kit and use that wax to carve out the shape of my brow to clean it up, and then go in with my LA Girl concealer like normal. Same routine. And my brow gel, I'm going to use my NYX Control Freak brow gel to lock my brows in place, and use a pink eyeshadow from my ColourPop Through My Eyes palette. You'll see. I'm not going to talk through this whole thing because you can pretty much see what I'm doing. And of course, my NYX Proof It Waterproof Primer for my primer, using my CoverGirl True Naked Juice palette. I'm going to take that blue there with a big fluffy brush, blend that into my crease, and blend that up towards my brow bone. Now going into my BoxyCharm Hello Charmers, I'm going to take that shade there just for a little bit of added shimmer and sparkle. And blend those two colors together. I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to blend that on the outer edge. I'm not sure what made me want to do that, but when I was looking at it, I saw that I missed something. And y'all know me, purple is my favorite color, so if I can get it in there somewhere, I will do it, even though I know it doesn't go with everything. But in this case, it blended out and it worked really well. Okay, now I'm going to take that same pencil that I used for my brow and I'm going to make my ribbon. Now I didn't notice until after the fact when I outlined my ribbon that one of the ends was smaller than the other, but y'all get the idea. Then I'm going to take some pink shadow just to intensify it a bit and also to set the liner. Next I'm going to take my vivid white eyeliner just to outline it. Then I'm going to take some white translucent center powder to set that, to make sure that it stays in place and it doesn't crack. Then I'm going to take my Club Hopper lip liner by NYX and my Mega Lastical Catsuit by Wet n Wild Taffy Tantrum for my lips, and then I'm going to apply some of this glossy shimmer on top. I don't remember what it's called, but it'll be in my description box if you really want to know. Set my face with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray, and there you have it. There we complete this breast cancer awareness month look for 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you guys so much and stay safe out there. Remember, those of you guys who survived breast cancer, it's just awesome. Like, I have a neighbor that's a survivor, so I thought of her when I did this.